Hello, one and all. Today I am sharing with you the question paper for BA year 2019. I'll also try to give explanation of answers wherever I can and also the source from where you can prepare. So let's move to the question paper. This is the first part. Um, it's a simple passage. You can do it easily. Suggestions are you should attempt it in the last so that it consumes less time. And the second thing, first give a quick read to the questions and then move to the passage, so that you can filter out the information and solve the questions then and there. So you can see the paragraph and questions. This is second part. It's also the same strategy would remain the same, but it's a small passage, so be careful with the reading. You can see the questions. It also have 5 questions. Now this is third part. It's a reasoning question. You can read it and the answer is there. You can do it easily. If you face any difficulty, you can tell me. I'll do something. This is second question. It's a general knowledge question. Who is the only Indian to win a Nobel Prize in the field of science? So the answer is C.V. Raman. He has got this prize for scattering of light principle. Third question is England's clothing traders used to buy clothes from the staplers. In this context, the word stapler means a person who sorts wool according to the fibers. So it's a general knowledge question and it's not very regular, very standard. It must be subject specific, so people can do that. Next question is, in the Constitution of India, promotion of international peace and security is included in the answer is directive principles of state policy. It's a standard regular general knowledge question. You can get in any book of GK. Next is five friends A, B, C, D, E are sitting in a circle. A is sitting to the right of C, D is sitting between B, and E is sitting between A and D. Who is sitting to the right of D? It's also a reasoning question based on sitting arrangements. It's easy to do. Next question is, the situation of Kashmir continues to be tense and difficult. So this is an analytical question. You can see the question and the answer, and you just have to read the sentence and accordingly you will choose the sentence which is appropriate, which implicit the above given sentence. Okay, so this is also something you don't need to read from anywhere. Next is also a reasoning based question. You can read it from here. Information is given and according to that you can solve the question. You need to notice that okay, this part has 2 questions. The answers in this answer key are somewhere, some answers are wrong, so don't get panic. You can solve them easily. Next question is, which of the following is not an example of gender stereotyping? Now see the word gender stereotyping. It's a negative word, so you'll have to see which situation is gender discriminating. So the answer is, although boys try to monopolize the class discussions, attention to is given to both and girls and boys to encourage participation. Okay, so the question was asking not an example of gender stereotyping. So where we can see the equality between boys and girls. Next question is, which of the following is are suitable for to be considered a primary source for understanding concerns on nationalism in India under the British rule? So this is about you have heard of primary data and secondary data. Primary data is that which is raw data, which is collected from the actual condition, while secondary data is based on the primary data. We made up this data from primary data. So you can see the answers are fourth Sarvapalli Gopal's book Jawaharlal Nehru, a biography. It's not a primary data because he has written this book based on the Jawaharlal Nehru life, while all the other 3 books are considered to be primary source of understanding. Next question is, which of the following is a violation of fundamental rights to equality? So the answer is 1, 2 and 4 only, while the third is, in some schools the child of the ward counselor are not given special treatment by the class teacher. So this is giving a special privilege. That is not the meaning of right to equality, while all the others 3 are implying the right to equality concern. Next question is, which of the following is feature of presidential system of government? So it's very easy question, general knowledge question. Uh, separation of powers between executive member and legislative member of the government, which is not the case in India. It's a presidential system is in the America. Next is, which of the following is the assumption of law of demand? So you have to see, we have not seen this topic in economics till 10th. It's in 11th and 12th, and it's very simple for economics people, of course. But and you may get this question, this topic in any general book, knowledge book, or may not be. So the answer is, price of substitutes should not change. What is law of demand is that when price of a commodity increases, the demand of that commodity is decreased on the condition that the price of substitute should not change. So if you get some deep questions, don't get panic, because they are subject specific, so economics people can do it easily while you cannot if you are not an economics student. Which of the following plants does not belong to family Solanaceae? It's also from 11th 12th biology, 11th biology chapter 5. So beans is not a, beans is a legume plant, while all the other plants belongs to family Solanaceae. Next question is, an excursion trip in school involved a visit to Zero, Bombdilla, Namdapha National Park, Tawang, and Laizen village. The states which the children visited are. So you should notice here, none of us can know all the places in this in India, but you have to see the key place here, that is Namdapha National Park. You should know about all the national parks, biospheres, all national heritage of India. And I knew about this national park that is in Arunachal Pradesh, and Arunachal Pradesh is only in one of the options, so I could do this. And you should also notice these things, that you always read these things in GK book. Next question is, when firms make an economic profit in monopolistic competition? So it's very easy from the sentences. You see the sentence, this: new firms enter the industry, so the price decreases and the economic profit decreases to zero in the long run. So it is understandable from the sentence itself, though it's very deep economic question. Next question is also from reasoning. You will solve it, and it's easy. Next question is, with reference to the Indian freedom struggle, who of the following was the lady representative for India at the second round table conference? So answer is Sarojini Naidu. Standard GK question, you can get in any GK book. I have Lucent, and it was there. India's largest startup ecosystem has been launched in which of the following states? It's a current affairs question. You can get it news, but not is in our news channels, because they give rubbish information. So you have to read some newspapers like Hindu or else. Next question is, raw silk is spun silk. It's a GK question, but you cannot exactly get it in any GK book. It's if you have, I don't know where we have studied it, but you will see that. Next question is, pollution leads to environmental change. Statement 2, pollution leads to social change. And now we have to analyze if both of them are correct or not. So both of them are correct, because we can see environmental change, we know. Social change occurs, a lot of migration happens due to pollution, so that is a social change. So both statement 1 and 2 are correct. Now next question is, who wrote Philosophy Naturalis Principia Mathematica? The answer is Isaac Newton. So it's a standard GK question. You will get it in Lucian general knowledge book, and I strongly recommend you to go through that section of books and their writers, because in this paper have a lot of questions, at least 4 questions based on this thing. Next question is a standard GK question. Who discovered X-rays? Answer is W.C. Roentgen. Who among the following have been awarded Bharat Ratna posthumously in 2019? It's very common and current affairs. Bhupen Hazarika and Nanaji Deshmukh, who have got these, both of them have got this award after death. Next question is, who among the following is credited for the discovery of expanding universe? The scientist is Edwin Hubble. You can get it in GK book. Who is considered of the father of computing? So we know who has discovered computer, Charles Babbage. Next question is based on sociology. So you read the sentence, 20th century novels become popular among women. So you see that this is a hope generating question, that when did women came into picture, they have got something. So you have to see the answers. First sentence iterates that it's very negative, that they reinforced and safeguarded the traditional outlook. So you have to see the word traditional. Traditional is the negative. It's traditional means you are not going to change anything. So leaving this first sentence, all are true. Next question is, in which of the following styles of the dance story theme is always taken from the Mahabharata and Ramayana? If you have seen Ramayana and Mahabharata in this lockdown, you have noticed that Bharatnatyam is the dance they always show. If the door of a refrigerator is left open while connected to the water supply, the room might become warmer because the motor is still running. Though we get the colder environment of fridge and warmer environment of room becomes equalized, but the motor is still running and it generates heat, so the overall temperature of the room will increase. Next question is, an example of diversity in the following statements is, so the answer is given, Paritosh knows good Bangla, whereas Suchita speaks Hindi. These questions are not, you will not get any, you will not read them in any book. This is your basic understanding, your analytical understanding. Next question is, contingency approaches method of management. Answer is, entails using different approaches to problems. This is some management question or something, and the this is the real meaning of contingency approach, in which you use entail different approaches to the problems. Next question is again reasoning, you can say, or this is calendar based question, and you have to see that there is not much time between March and Republic Day, which is 26th January, so you can do it manually doing on the paper. Next question, special type of roots found in cycas and fixed nitrogen is called coralloid roots. It's a botanical, it's biology question in chapter 11th, in chapter 3rd of class 11th. So you will see that these questions are from 11th 12th. So if you get some deep questions, don't get panic, focus on your subject areas. Next is consider the following statements. This is some matchmaking question. You can see the question and then the answer. Next question is, imagine you are a non-Jewish woman. So you can read the question, I'll explain. Be a Jewish woman or non-Jewish woman. I have read that the women have very restricted role in the Nazis time, that is to produce more and more children. Now I think this question is wrong, because if you are non-Jewish woman, you are meant to be die. So and if they are already killing Jewish people, uh, why would they want more Jewish children? So I feel this question is wrong, but the answer would be only three, that you are, if you are a Jewish German woman, okay, okay, sorry, I got confused. If you are a non-Jewish woman, it means you are a Nazi woman. You have only one role, to produce more and more children, and you will be awarded a silver cross for producing these children. Next question is, dash is a positive check on population growth according to Malthus. So famine will kill many people, so population growth will be reduced. Next question is, for seeing objects at the surface of water from the submarine underwater, the instrument is periscope. All the scopes are based on the light principle, but the periscope is used to see objects from under the water. Eugenics is a study of improving the human species. Next question is, why does a cricket player while taking a catch moves his hands in the direction of the ball's momentum? It's a very easy question. It's a physics question, but we have seen it also in class 10th, and it's a very popular question of physics to increase the time of impulse. Next is traditionalist society. As I earlier also mentioned, traditionalist is a very negative term, so they don't want any change. The first answer would be the first, particularistic values. Next question is, read the following statements and select the most appropriate answer. So you can see that humus content of laterite soil is low. Laterite soil develops in areas with higher temperature. So both statements are true, but and second is the reason for one. Next question is of based on your observation, like if you are living in a chawl in Bombay during colonial period, which of these situations could you have observed? So you can see the answer, leaving the second statement, that is a large population of people belonging to oppressed and lower classes. Now you have to understand that while people were doing jobs in these Bombay's like cities, still lower classes and oppressed were not allowed to do those work in even that merciful conditions. Next question is dyslexia. It's a repeated question, so this mark is free of cost, and that's why you should always look for previous year question papers, because it's a repeated question. It was there also in earlier paper. Next is, the earth is oblate, spheroid, and not a perfect sphere. We have read this question many times in our childhood, and the answer is 1 and 2. That is, the earth has a rotation motion, and the rotational speed increases as one goes from the pole towards the equator, and the equator experiences greater gravitational pull from the sun. Next is the statements true on minimum support price. You know what MSP is, the price at which government procures produce from the farmers. So the answer is, living the third statements, that is, is usually fixed below the prevailing market price. So you can see how contradictory it is. Why would government procure the produce from farmer at below the prevailing market price? They want to give them some benefit. Next question is, the iron requirement for a pregnant mother is, the answer is 38 milligram. Next, the human eye can focus objects at different distances by adjusting the focal length of the eye lens. This is due to, now you see that all the three things are uh, vision impairments, while the fourth one is the process accommodation, which through which we see the objects far and close, and we do shrink our eyes in dark, and we relax our eyes in, sorry, I think I've done messed up. We whatever we shrink our eyes in light, and we relax our eyes in dark. Next is, the mechanism of ensuring genetic continuity in mitosis takes place through, you can get in 10th standard science book, or in 11th, it's there in 10th chapter. So the answer is, formation of two daughter cells with identical kind of DNA. But you can also get this topic in a GK book. It's easy one. Next is, the mission launched by the Indian government to develop capacity among people to enable them to find a job or become entrepreneurs is called Skill India. So it's very popular question. It's a very popular topic nowadays. Next is, the soap molecule has a, it's a very easy one. You can get in 10th 10th science book chapter 4. That is hydrophilic tail, that is a carboxylic group, and a hydrophobic tail, that is a hydrocarbon chain inside of the that missile molecule. Next is the plastics, in which materials such as starch, oils, and protein granules are stored. So they are stored in leucoplast. These all are types of storing plastids. Forest Research Institute, as I already earlier mentioned, you should know all the places of India. So you can get these places in a GK book like Lucent. So these places can be any heritage institutes in India, biospheres, national parks. So you should notice that. So FRI is located in Dehradun. Next question is the Hindi passage. You can see, and first is Adi Abadi. So this is based on this passage. If you are good at Hindi, you can do it easily. Himakat ka arth, so yes, you get synonyms in Hindi also. Okay, so they are also analyzing, testing your analytical skills here. Now next is also a Hindi paragraph, same as English. You can see. Now next part, it's a science question. It's there also in 10th book, chapter 5, 10th science book. So the which of the following statements about the modern periodic table are incorrect? Incorrect, they are asking. So leaving the fourth sentence, that is correct. The elements in the modern periodic table are arranged on the basis of their increasing atomic number. All the three are wrong. So answer would be 1, 2, and 3. Next is, which Sanskrit Granth is on the subject of politics? So answer is Arthashastra, written by Kautilya. Standard GK question. Arthashastra looks like it's based on economics, but it's based on politics. Restricting the transfer of share is a feature of private company. 3 squares of chessboards are, so this is a probability question. I felt is that tough, like it's deep math. Next is the filter attenuation theory of selective attention was developed by Broadbent. I don't know from where this question is. Ramcharitmanas is a work of which time in Hindi literature? So you have to delineate the difference between the Ramcharitmanas and Ramayana. Ramayana was written by Valmiki, while Ramcharitmanas was written by Tulsi Das, who was in the era of Mughal period. So it's modern era. Next is also it's a function maths question based on functions and sets. So maths people can do it easily, and they may explain it in the comment section if they want to. Next is provided policies are general guidelines to managerial actions that helps in implementation of strategy. So they are asking the terms strategy and actions, strategy and policy. So the answer is policy is comprehensive plan, while strategy is general response. Next is, what has globalization not led to? So you can see that equal opportunity is the thing which it has not achieved, because there is so much inequality in the capitalistic world. That is globalization. Who is the writer of Tukdi Jag Tu Nyari? So as earlier mentioned that you should must know about these books and writers. So answer is Bhai Singh. Who was the father of Bibi Bhani? This answer may or may not be wrong. Guru Ramdas, because I was confused with Guru Amardas. Who is the author of Prithviraj Raj? So the answer is Chandrabai. Next is it was the best of times, it was worst of time, it was the age of wisdom, it was the age of foolishness, it was the age of epoch of belief, it was the epoch of indulity, it was the season of light, it was the season of darkness. So you have to see the sentences, they are contradictory. So this term explains the situation is antithesis, where you have opposite things. Next is using nonsense syllables. This is a maths question or whatever. You can see the question and answer. Premium received on issues of shares can be used for writing of preliminary expenses. So you can see that is a this question is from business management or business studies. So for commerce students, what is the meaning of Hajat Rawa कराना, I think it's based on Hindi. जरूरत पूरी करना. Children think that all the things are living like their own self. This is called animism. So this topic we study in B.Ed itself, but you can see the Jean Piaget's theory of cognitive development. There this topic lies. Next is in modern period Sanskrit Kosh, written according to the alphabetical order. You can see the question and then the answer. Next is also based on maths functions, class 11th chapter 1. Now this question is also of maths, but I have seen this topic in class 10th of maths, so I could do it easily based on line. This question is based on line segment, and you should have also the idea of maths. A few substances are arranged in increasing order of force of attraction between their particles. The ones which represent the correct arrangement is very primary standard questions. That is, the force of attraction increases from it's very less in gas, then liquid, and then solid. So answer is oxygen, then water, and sugar. Next is combustion of all organic compounds is an exothermic reaction. So that is true. Next is the enthalpies of all elements in their standard states are 0. So answer would be both A and R true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. So this is chemistry based question. Next is 4 alternatives are given for idioms. So you can see Indians are going places in field of software technology. So they are talking about our increasing skills in software technology. So we are becoming talented and successful in software technology. What happens when a solution of an acid is mixed with a solution of base in a test tube? So first thing, we know the generation of salt, and second thing happens that the temperature of solution increases. Next is grammar based, which कौन से स्वर संधि का उदाहरण नहीं है, that is उच्चारणम, because they are involved those व्यंजन, because we know swar a I E or व्यंजन k kh ga ga. So all others are including swar, while this fourth one is including व्यंजन. Next is obvious. There are a lot of types of samas, so they are asking for which one is not of अव्यय. You have bhav samas. Next is according to the principle of that closure, we tend to fill the gaps in stimulation, perceive the objects as the whole rather than being their separate parts. So I don't know from where they have taken this question. Next is who is the writer of Bangedara? So the answer is Allama Iqbal. So this was all in all. I can say that this question paper was not that easy, but still I got rank 3, because the idea is not to attempt all the questions, but to focus on your own subject area, and you have you should have strong observation skills. Whatever you observe in movies, news, and whatever, you should grab knowledge from anywhere you can. So I have also question paper for 2018. If you want, you can tell me in comment sections, and all the best for your exams. Thank you.